My name's Cody Byer. I am the founder of Limitless AVL.
And I'm Nathan Tankersley. I am a director of customer relations.
The biggest part that I think personally that we do differently is just being super transparent and honest with our clients. I think that there's a big part of that that's missing. There's no personalization. There's no relationship being built. So we kind of set out to, I guess, just kind of pave a new way of being honest with people and to help people get the best product they can and the best service they can, but not oversell them on things they don't need. I think a big thing for us is that even though we're small, we provide the same product and service as some of the big companies do. And that, I think, is a huge piece that a lot of people might not know about us, is that it's the same caliber of work. If anything, it's more attention to detail and fine-tuning things to the specific project and to the specific person that gives them a better product overall.
I think something we pride ourselves in is integrity and transparency. And so we want to make sure we fit you with the best product for your budget and for your overall end goal. We want to make sure that what we design works for you.
I think I just love being able to have like a unique design for each client and be able to see people's reactions at the end of a project. And I like to wow them with what we do. And so I like that we can help design and develop a system that the end user feels comfortable with, rather than just having some technical thing that makes no sense to them.
If you need anything from a TV hung to a full PA to a full video system to cables to batteries to everything in between, we are able to provide those services for you at a competitive rate. We would love to work with you guys. Come join our family here at Limitless.
Thanks for taking the time to check us out here at Limitless AVL. We look forward to working with you in the near future.